The greatest gift that you can ever give or get from someone is the right name. If your name wasn't given correctly, you could face never-ending problems in your life. The right name ensures a prosperous, wealthier, and comfortable life for a child in the future. I've noticed in children who weren't named correctly, there are signs of restlessness, difficulty forming relationships, and multiple other challenges throughout life. That's why our ancient rishis created Namkaran, a 5,000-year-old traditional practice that still holds immense relevance. But the big question is, was your name analysis and calculation done correctly? Here's the right way to do it. First, I start by analyzing the baby's chart, finding the moon, Rashi, Nakshatra, and Pada. After that, I check the strength of the moon and the rising sign of the baby. This helps me find the right syllable for them. After I find the right initial or syllable, my team and I handpick a list of 50 to 100 names that are highly relevant and meaningful. These names are filtered according to the family's preferences, for example, their religious beliefs, their cultural background, what type of style do they want, are they looking for something very modern, traditional, are they looking for something international or unique. Sometimes parents make the mistake of going for an overly traditional or an outdated name, and because I do Namkarans all the time, I know exactly which names will be trendy and relevant yet timeless in your child's generation. After a few names are shortlisted and parents also select a few names, I do something extremely important that most people forget, so please remember to do alphabetical Chaldean numerology. This is a calculated Chaldean numerology step in which I have to calculate the family name of the child along with the name that we have handpicked. All the alphabets are added to a single number to get the most auspicious number for the baby based on their psychic and destiny numbers. Please note that sometimes more calculations might be required to ensure the growth and prosperity of the parents after naming the baby. You would have definitely noticed that most celebrities and directors edit the name of their movies or their own names to get the most auspicious single digit for their success. I've noticed that some of my British, Chinese, and German friends have naturally numerologically aligned names without even realizing it. Countless people from different religions and cultures have reached out to me for a name analysis, so trust me, this step is extremely important and valid in any geographical territory. So when you're thinking of a name, make sure your baby will also thank you for that name in the future. As I'm widely recognized in the industry for my baby analysis and because it's a privilege to name a baby, I add a personal touch of perfection by doing a name vibration check with our sound healer. This ensures an extremely harmonious name for the baby that's aligned with nature. Only then the final name is revealed. So comment down below and let me know who did your Namkaran. Were you named correctly? Additionally, feel free to share the meaning of your beautiful name.